Hey, welcome back to Project 38. Ranger Sprocket here, working on the grapevine trellis, and I was getting ready to stretch a line level out here to get some marks to level this up. And it kind of dawned on me that maybe a few of you might not know how to use one of these. Stick around, I'll show you how. Okay, maybe you've never used a line level before. You went and picked one up. If you don't have one, you're needing one. You can pick these up about any home store. Just a few dollars, a couple dollars. You can get them plain, you can get them real fancy, but some of the things you're going to have to use one. You're going to have a line level, of course. You're going to have a string. You can use a Mason's line or a chalk line, so I'm going to use this today. Going to need some nails or tacks or something to hold it in place with. Of course, you're going to have a hammer to drive the nails, and you need a line to mark with. So these are the things that you need. These are very accurate. They're very precise. You want to get it between the bubbles. Let me show you what we're going to do first. So here we go. Okay, first thing you want to do here, I'm just going to pick an arbitrary number. I know this is my lowest pole, but we're just wanting a mark to reference from so we can check and see where we're at. So I'm just going to drive this in here. And that's all I'm going to do on this end. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to tie off to that line, and we're going to stretch it down. And the way these hook on here, hope you can see that. You got two hooks, they oppose. Goes on one side, hooks on the other, like this. The key to these is you got to pull them tight. If you don't pull them tight, they'll keep moving around on you. So what you want to do is you want to pull it real tight, and you want to look at this bubble right here. So we're a little bit high still. You want to bring it into plane. That is perfectly between the bubble. So once we get between the bubble, we just want to come over here and mark this. Keep in mind that's the top of the line. Now, I don't really need to do this because this is my mark. I know where I'm at down there, I know where I'm at down here, but I'm going to demonstrate. That's right on my mark. Lay that up there. Let me zoom in. There we go. That's how you use a level line. Now, after we have the string stretched all the way across, it's tight, we're level. We come in here, we make a mark. And we have a mark right there. So, this tells us that this line is level. You measure down off of this to find out which one this is 5.5. This one's at 6. So that's how you use a string line. And so we appreciate you stopping by Project 38. I'm Ranger Sprocket. We'll level up again next time.